Hello Facebook friends, this is Mike Martin with Danchuk Manufacturing coming to you from Petaluma at the American Graffiti Salute, or the Salute to American Graffiti. We've got a nice setup here and it's a beautiful scene. We've got a lot of Trifives down here. We'll just kind of walk the first setup of cars. We're hoping the weather holds out, though we are starting to see some raindrops here and there. But just walk along with me here as we check out some of the Trifives. Just a beautiful place to have a car show. Just the old school stuff. Now, if this place looks familiar, you may want to go to rewatch American Graffiti. This was the town that the cruise scenes were filmed at. So just enjoy and take it all in here. So basically we're hoping the weather holds out. Right now we're feeling a few drops. Later on is the cruise, and it'll the whole town will change as it gets lit up, and we'll hopefully be able to do some video of that as well. Stay tuned with us as we see how the weather holds out. 11 o'clock Pacific time, it's supposed to open up and really start coming down. So we're just praying for the weather to hold. We'll just do a little walk here, kind of see what's going on here. As you can see, down the street we have the movie marquee. Got all kinds of cars lined up and down the street. Let's rotate around here. Again, this is Mike Martin with Danchuk Manufacturing coming to you from the Salute to the American Graffiti in Petaluma, California.